Once we have our tools entered into sToolTracker, we actually want to make use of them in our work center. Search for sToolTracker, Use. Enter a document number. And select the tool that we wish to use. In this case, we only have one. The description and location code is automatically entered. In this case, our tool is currently in the storage area. Now select the work location where we wish to transfer the tool. In this case, we have a single work location, but you may have more. Choose the quantity, and in this case, it's going to be 1. Now, as this is a serial number based system, choose line and tool tracking line so we can choose the appropriate tool based on its serial number. Enter the serial number or click on the little dots to choose from a list. The expired date is entered automatically and the quantity is 1 in this case as a serial number system. Post print, post. The item will be posted to the journal and will now be moved to the work location. We now see that the number of tools in use is 1 and the tools available is also 1. Previously it was 2. If we click on the tools in use, this opens up the journal card where we can get a view of our transaction.